Hey guys, this is the Max Stepper model 12N/24. Okay, it's maximum. Okay, I focus it first. Maximum can stamp until 240 sheet of paper. Okay, let's look at it. This is the Max Stepper heavy duty. Okay, and this is the stapler supply from the catalog. Okay, then how we load the stapler is just put this gray color out by pressing this both side. Just push and pull. Okay, and we just need to load the stapler here. Okay, and we just pull it. Okay, wait, go on. Okay, so okay, we just push it. That's all. Tuck. Then can start using it. Okay. So this is the box. Okay. Max Stepper HD-12N24. Okay, it's a heavy duty stepper. And sorry for the poor quality video. And this is Max Stepper made in Japan. Okay. Okay. If you want to buy it, okay, you can just call us at this office number or WhatsApp us. Okay, or email to us, or visit our website for more detail. You also can like our fan page, facebook.com/equests2u. Okay, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Thanks.